Hello everyone, welcome to Code Crafters Lab. So today we are going to solve the first pattern problem from TUF Plus. So what is it? Like we have given integer n. You need to recreate the pattern given below for any value of n. And the example is, let's say n equal to 4, and we have to create this kind of pattern. So let's try to understand it in a better way. So let's say we have given a n equal to 3. So what we need to draw is like three three columns and three rows. So this is how our pattern will look. If n equal to 2, then two columns and two rows. This is how our pattern will look. So let's try to get into the pseudocode for this. So for I equal to 0, I is greater than n I plus plus. So what this particular loop will do, it will iterate for n times. Okay, and what it will print, it will print maybe if we write our SOP statement here, system.out.println. So what is the output for this one? It will print directly like three stars in a row. Okay, so but what we want three columns and three rows. So for rows, what we need to do, we need to add one more for loop which will iterate for n times only, and it will print the rows also like three times. So we will add one more for loop here. I equal to 0, I is j equal to 0, j is less than n, and j plus plus, and inside that we will try to print the asterisk. So what it will do now, it will print 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. So here we are considering n equal to 3. So it will print 9 asterisks in a same row. Okay. So basically the loop will run n square times. So basically 3 into 3 square is 9. So it will run for 9 times these two loops, and it will print x for asterisk for 9 times. So now we need to tweak this particular problem. We have to add one more statement, maybe SOP with slash n, or maybe system.out.println. Println also you can use. So what println will do? Println will break the line. So where it will break the line? So let's say I have I equal to 0. I have entered the loop. I equal to 0. I have entered the loop, and my j equal to 0. Okay, and my j will run, and we are considering n equal to say 3. Okay, so my loop will enter into this, then j is less than n. Yes, it is true, and it will print star. Okay, this is done. Then it will again check, it will increment the j. J will become my 1. J will become my 1. J equal to 1. And once j equal to 1, is it less than n? Is it less than 3? Yes, it is. It will say one more star. Then again, it will increment the j. It will increment the j. J will become 1 to 2. Is it less than 3? Yes, it will print one more star here. Again, it will increment my j. J will become 3 now. Once j become 3, we have a condition j is less than n. Is it meeting? No. The loop will end, and uh, this particular statement will execute, and it will break the line. It will come to the next line. Okay, and again our I will change. Now I will become 1. My I will become 1. 1 is less than n. Yes, it is. Then my control will come here for j equal to 0. Yeah, j equal to j will again reset to 0. Once j becomes 0, 0, it is less than n. Yes, true. It will print star and it will increment my j to 1. Now 1, is it less than n? Is it less than 3? Yes, it is true. It will print one more star and my j will become 2 here. 2. 2 is less than 3. Yes, j is less than n. Yes, it is 2. It will again print one more star. Okay, and my j will become now 3. J will become 3 and 3 is less than n. 3 is less than 3. No, it is not. It will break the loop. It will come here. Then again it will come to the next line. Now my I will become my I will become 2 here. And 2 is less than n. Yes. 2 is less than 3. Yes, it is true. It will come inside. Then j will become again 0. J is 0. J is 0. J is less than n. 0 is less than 3. Yes, it is true. It will again print one more star. J will become my 1. 1 is less than 3. Yes, it will print one more star. And J will become 2. 2 is less than 3. Yes, it is true. It will print one more star. And J will become 3. J is less than n. 3 is less than 3. No, it is not true. It will break the loop. It will come to this particular statement. And it will again break the line. Break the line. And now my I will become, what will become my I? It is 3 now. 3 is less than 3. No, the loop will break here. And this is how you will print this particular pattern. So let's try to code this problem here. So we will have to one for loop for I equal to 0, I is less than n I plus plus. This is the first for loop. And again inside that we'll put one more for loop. J equal to in j equal to 0. I am writing it here. In j equal to 0, j is less than n, j plus plus, j plus plus, and then again we will open one more curly braces. Inside that we system dot out dot print l print will do print only here and star. Have to close this print and then again one more print system dot out dot print ln. Yes, this is it. It is accepted and let's submit this. Yes, it is passed. So coming back to the time complexity and space complexity in this particular example. So time complexity will be O of n square. Why n square? Because we are like iterating through two loops, first loop, second loop, for n times. So that's why O of n square is the time complexity, and space complexity, it is O of 1, because we have only constant variables which we are using in the loops, so it will be a 0 of 1. So yeah, that's it for now. See you again in the next lecture.